girl like my woman. Long hair, nice smile. I wanna show you off, girl, cause that's how it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah.
So this is the wig that I got, and it is the RPG Show Bold and Sexy Hair. The style that I got is, the name is Anthony Cuts 028. The texture is silky, the length is 14 inch, the hair color is like the picture. The size cap is the small one because I got a little peanut head. And the cap's construction is a lace front wig cap. So the first thing that I do is take my most sacred hair product, is my edge control in the Murray's Edge Wax, and this stuff keeps all of my baby hairs and all my edges laid. So I start by brushing that all the way back. Before I cut the lace, I just kind of wanted to see what this wig was looking like, so I just tried it on. I love it. So, okay, this might get me back into wearing wigs. This is bomb. As you can see, the lace looks really good. It's still attached, obviously, so I have to cut the lace. And I love the color. I'm not too crazy about this. I feel like it could blend a little bit better. But we're going to go ahead and see what this looks like once I cut the lace. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, I ordered a complete lace front wig, and it has lace all around and a natural part and hairline. It comes with 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. So it comes with 2 adjustable straps and back lace. Cutting the lace is the most crucial. Because I ordered a natural hairline, it's really important that I don't go into the plucked baby hairs. Before I was into wearing wigs, I would always cut this part off, and it basically defeats the purpose of ordering a natural hairline. So you want to be careful and make sure that there is some lace left over. With the 2 clips that are in the front and the clips that are in the back, it's going to hold the wig down really tight so the lace will lay super flat on your forehead. I didn't braid up my hair super crazy, so I'm just going to take 2 little bobby pins and pin them down. So now that I cut the lace and everything as close as possible, but not cutting out like the natural hairline, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I already adjusted the back of the straps to my liking. So I bring it in like twice on each side, and when I put it on, I like to hold the back clip and attach that first. Then take my hands on both of the clips and bring it forward. And when I have my hands on both of the clips, I like to put it in really far above and then push it back. So this looks pretty good without any plucking or anything like that. Now, another thing that you can use is you can use the Got2b glue if you want it to really sit really flat and kind of stay all day. But this cap construction is really nice, and I don't really think I need this. So now let's go ahead and pluck the hairline. You can choose what kind of hairline you want, so it's not really necessary for me to pluck the wig because I got a natural hairline, but I feel like it could look a little bit more natural, so I'm gonna just do it anyways. Then to create a even more natural effect, I like to take small pieces of the front of the hairs and take like a little razor that you can get from the beauty supply and just cut that. This razor is really nice because it cuts little tiny natural looking baby hairs, and it doesn't cut them straight across, so that it gives the actual illusion that these are just little flyaways.
Don't nobody hold me down like my woman. Every time you call, just know I'm coming. I'm gonna show you off, girl, cause that's what you need to be. Oh, that's what you want to be. That's what you want to be. Oh, that's what you want to be. Oh, that's what you want to be. Oh, that's what you want to be.
now it's time to lay those little baby hairs that we just created. So once again, I'm taking my Murray's Edge Wax, and because this wig is fresh out the box, I did not wash it. It's really stuck into its curl pattern and the way it came from shipping from China. So I'm not gonna get the best baby hairs without it being washed. But what I like to do is I like to take a spoolie and just brush my baby hairs out. And then because this hairstyle is actually brushed upward at the top, I'm gonna do my baby hairs a little bit differently on this side of my hair than I naturally would. So I just lay my Murray's Edge Wax, and as you can see, the Murray's basically hides the lace. And instead of just brushing my baby hairs up to the side, I'm gonna actually brush it up into my hair so that it goes and it flows with my hairstyle.
And when I'm gone, girl, I know I wish you were with me. I'ma show you the world, 'cause that's what you mean to me. I love your...
This is basically my first impression of the actual wig. I did not wash it. I did not do anything other than what you've seen in this video, and I think without a wash, it actually looks really good. Then of course, to finish it off, I want to just grab some concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer in the color 30, and take that into my part, and then just use a nice little blending eyeshadow brush to make it look nice and natural.
I love your style, not just what you got on ya. And when you're down, let me pick you up. I promise I'ma love you, girl. That's what you mean to me.
And this is basically the finished look. I will be dyeing this wig and making it like an ash blonde color, and I will be filming that, and it should be up on my channel very soon. All the wig information will be down linked in my bio. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you on the next upload.